This is an excellent outline of the key competencies managers need to succeed. Here's a concise summary and analysis of each skill type. 1. Technical skills. These involve practical, job-specific knowledge and expertise necessary for performing or overseeing specific tasks. Examples: proficiency in software tools, machinery operation, or industry-specific processes. Key usage. Critical at lower managerial levels, where direct interaction with tasks and workers is frequent. 2. Conceptual skills. These pertain to the ability to think abstractly, understand complex systems, and strategize effectively. Examples: developing organizational strategies, analyzing trends, and aligning departmental goals with the company's vision. Key usage. Vital for top-level managers responsible for making decisions with broad organizational impacts. 3. Interpersonal skills. These focus on the ability to build positive relationships, communicate effectively, and resolve conflicts. Examples: empathy, active listening, collaboration, and team building. Key usage. Necessary across all levels of management, fostering a productive and harmonious work environment. 4. Diagnostic and analytic skills. These skills emphasize problem identification, data analysis, and effective decision-making. Examples: evaluating risks, visualizing potential outcomes, and developing actionable solutions. Key usage. Indispensable for all managerial levels, especially in troubleshooting and optimizing processes. Varying importance by managerial level. Lower management primarily relies on technical and interpersonal skills. Middle management requires a balanced mix of all skill types, bridging operational and strategic objectives. Top management focuses heavily on conceptual and diagnostic skills to steer the organization effectively. Combining these skills enables managers to lead effectively, adapt to challenges, and drive organizational success.